Hi, and thank you so much for joining me on my travels. So this is a road trip that I highly recommend. I've been wanting to go here for about a year and I finally made it. And to be honest, I should have been here sooner. It is absolutely amazing place, and it will take you about an hour to drive there from Toronto, but then you will spend about an hour, if not more, just exploring it. So just this in itself is an amazing road trip, but there are so many other places also in the area that you can check out. I'm gonna post all of the other places that you can do around the area down below in the description. So this is Primitive Designs, and it is a store, and as I understand, because I did some of the research, it's a family-owned business where the family goes all over the world, specifically I believe Indonesia and Mexico, and a few other countries, of course, and they import things to this location. But there's tons of really amazing sculptures made out of car parts. And these sculptures, I believe, are designed by the family that owns the Primitive Designs. So over here is a T-Rex that is absolutely magnificent. It is so tall. So the entrance is free, but the donations are suggested. Did you notice that there's a cool sheep that the T-Rex is holding? Very cool. So over here is another dinosaur. This transformer is I believe is the highlight of the place. I don't remember how many feet tall, but it's ridiculously tall. Absolutely amazing. Looks just like from the movies. Here's another T-Rex that's slightly smaller than the one before, and this is two salmons. Now, these guys, the Primitive Design owners, they are all about supporting the local, and Port Hope is known for its fishing, so this is kind of to help out the Port Hope because that's where the store is close to. Over here is a really cool bike, perfect for anybody who's a bike lover, maybe to put on their front yard, front lawn. Inside the courtyard, so this is still outside, there's tons of signs, tons of metal signs. Honestly, this looks like Arizona. It reminded me so much of Arizona. Also in the courtyard, you see those gorgeous, I'm not sure if this is a Buddha, but it looks amazing. It's out of the root of the tree. And imagine having this in a yoga studio or something. Absolutely amazing. Again, cacti made out of the metal and just looking gorgeous. These kind of gothic looking windows that are vintage looking, I don't believe they're actually from churches, but they do look really nice and they're actually really well priced. They're like $49 for the fairly large one, and the small one, I think it's how much is it, $29. So I actually did want to have a few of these just for like a visual kind of artwork to put on my wall. Very beautiful. When you go inside, there's a bunch of tents even before you go inside. So this is in the tent. Really cool Harley Davidson made out of wood. A really cool lizard looking thing, also made out of wood. I don't know how many feet is this, but it's so huge. Like just to walk around it takes time. Cute little piggies outside. Many piggies. Cool bees. So over here in the courtyard, we have more of those metal kind of car parts sculptures that look absolutely insane. Now they have even the eyes glowing. So there's a dragon with 3 heads and like a smaller kind of dragon. Over here is a crocodile, alligator. And here is the Game of Thrones throne. Now, before you go into the store, so we haven't even been into the store. This is just all around the store. Tons of, I think these are kind of like lawn ornaments. They're all made of metal. Look really cool. I love the mushrooms over there. I love the flamingos. I, of course, love the cacti. Now we are finally indoors. If you thought that outside was too much, the inside is just as much. It's crazy, and it's 2 levels. So over here, the filming isn't the best because I'm just using the wide fish angle and just to show you the amount of stuff and just how much there is in the store. When you walk through it, you see the same kind of structure. So over here we have another transformer robot. Absolutely gorgeous. Then over here we have African kind of spiders and tons of masks. Lots of different doorknobs. If you're doing any kind of projects that you would like some kind of really interesting doorknobs, there's a lot of variety. And if you go upstairs, there are absolutely gorgeous sinks. Again, perfect for if you're doing some kind of renovation project and you want some kind of pop of color. And over here we have gorgeous skulls that are cut into. So I've never actually even seen that, where you have the skulls being cut out. And again, lots of different knickknacks and things like that. So this concludes my trip to Primitive Designs. I hope you enjoyed this. I absolutely love this. I think it's an amazing road trip. Please subscribe, like, and share to this channel if you would like to see more videos such as these. Thank you. Bye.